Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Traders blow accounts every day because they don't know when a block is valid and when a block is just a fake out. In this video, you will learn how to spot a valid reclaimed block and trade them like a pro. By the end of this video, you will know how to spot a reclaimed block, confirm it, and use it for sniper entries that most traders mix. So the word reclaimed means retrieve or recover. That is something previously lost or given or paid. Or you can say to reclaim something means to get them back. So in terms of trading, we can say a reclaimed block is a special type of order block. It could be supply or demand that price rejects, fake out of, and come back to respect. So let us think of it like this. We have an impulsive move to the downside, creating a lower high and lower lows like this, lower highs. Let us take these lows as the order block which is breaking out from. Do you understand? So as price is moving like this, price broke this previous low over here and immediately came back to that zone. You have to map that block first. This is our order block. So it's reclaimed because price bounced back into that other block for a retest, into that support zone, or you can say the demand zone for a retest. Then this is when buyers will be looking out for to buy this, putting their XL below that low. You can put your XL below here, but it's kind of risky. To be in a safer side, you need to put it below this zone right here. Then to move to the upside, let us take, this is scenario A. Let us take it as, let me give you another example. We have price approaching the downside, creating lower lows and lower high, just like this. So price broke this other block and came into that zone back. We'll map it as our block. Mark it as our block. So instead of price coming back here to mitigate it, to touch it like this previous one did, price didn't tag that zone. Instead, price paused here and bounced back. This is where early buys came into this market, and this place is now known as our inducement, as this can be used for our confirmation mode. Do you understand? It's now known as our inducement. So inducement. So what are you going to do in this market? You're going to wait for price to bounce back into that zone. It might take days. Do you understand? It might not bounce back into that zone the day you expect it to. It can sweep out this inducement, this liquidity here, come into that zone, then go all the way up, just like this. There are rules in trading this reclaimed block. The first rule is to target the high. You can't just go far, you need to target the high first. Then put your XL below here. You can also put your XL below the reclaimed block, but to be on the safer side, it should be below here. That's the only disadvantages because of the wide SL. Do you understand? Because of the wide SL. So this is it. This is step A and this is step B. Let's take a look at another example. For instance, we have an impulsive move to the upside, creating a higher high and lower high, just like this. You understand? And eventually you see something like this. See something like this. We map this as our order block. map this as our other block. Wait, okay, something like this. Map it as our other block. This is our reclaimed block. This is our reclaimed block. These are inducements. You can see what I'm showing you, right? These are inducements, and this is it. So what are you going to do in this market? You're going to wait for price to tap into that reclaimed block before pulling down, targeting this low. Do you understand? Targeting the low. So let me go over to the chart. Now I'm looking at Kingjeff 1 hour time frame. I want to spot out a reclaimed block for you guys. I know how to trade them. So let me bring out the two. So we want to spot out a reclaimed block in this area. You can see the move. Okay, this is another block. I need to map it. Okay, price didn't get back to that block. Okay, see what price is doing here. You can see this reclaimed block from this angle. All these rejections. Do you understand? All these rejections. Then we'll have this as our liquidity, as our inducement. It didn't tap there, just like how other places were tapped. Let us see if we'll actually get it. Okay. Okay, we didn't get it. Let me adjust it a little bit. I'm checking if price will actually come there. That's why I say it might not take the day you need price to come to that your reclaimed block. Do you understand? So it created a new low over here. It created a new low over here. What am I to do in this market? I should target this low, not this low. Not this low. Do you understand? This is just like a break of structure. So this is a new low. Let me see. This is like 3 hours. Remember, above this, your SS should be above this high over there. And boom, we just tapped it. We just tapped it. So we'll see. And this is the massive. This is it. This is how to trade a reclaimed block. Do you understand? This is how to trade a reclaimed block. Let me see if I will get another example on this reclaimed block. See. Okay, there is no example. There's no example again. Let me look for another one. Let me look for another one. So okay, I've seen one more. Looking at this area over here. Let me bring back my bar. Where did this pair go to? Then I'm looking for this stuff. Okay, look at this stuff where you can see markets. Actually, let me see if I can bring back this soon. Okay, this is it. Let me take it slowly. The aim here is to find a reclaimed block. Okay, this is a reclaimed block. This is our, let me pause this. This is our inducement. These are inducements. Then this is the low. This is the low to target, and this is the high to keep your SL above for it to be on a safe side. Do you understand? So our entry should be on that other block. On that other block. And you can see it, what price is doing. Okay, and we hit our TP. This is how to trade reclaimed order block. Let me go to another example to show you guys. Another example, we have so many pairs. We have, this is on crypto. This is on crypto. But on crypto, I took this pair. I took this trade. We have our block, our zone from here. Our zone from here. Let me look for something similar. Okay, this is Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, let me get the replay button from this angle. Euro USD. The aim here is to find a reclaimed block. Remember, Euro USD has broken out from this place, from this block, and it bounced back into that zone. It bounced back into that zone. Okay. It didn't get tapped. It didn't get tapped into that zone. We would have used there. Do you understand? We would have used it, but it didn't get tapped. It didn't mitigate that zone, so we used this place as our inducement. This place as our inducement. I want to see what price is doing. Okay, we'll check if price will actually come to this zone. And our SL below this. Like I said, it might not take that day. Do you understand? It might not take that day. It might take days, sometimes week, depending on the kind of trader you are. You could be a scalper, you could be a swing trade. Okay, and this is it. This is it, and this is how. This is the impulsive move. Wow, it's coming back to. It's coming back. Like I said, the first rule is to target the high over here. The previous high. You don't need to go to, you don't need to look for another high. It must be that high you're seeing over there to be on a safer side. Do you understand? I'm trying to catch another move. This could be a reclined block. Okay, you can see how price is reacting to my reclined block, targeting this high, putting your SL below that low, and this is your inducement. This is your inducement. Let's see. Okay, TP smashed. Let me see if I'll get another one. I've showed you 2 examples from different currency pairs and it worked perfectly fine. Let me see if I will get another one. Okay. Wow, we broke this high. This high was broken. And then this is our inducement. This is our reclined block. You understand? Okay, this is where price is at the moment. So let us see what Euro USD will have for us. So this is where price is, and that's how you can spot and trade the value reclined block. Backtest it, practice it, and see how your trading changes. Comment below your favorite section to trade, and don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video I will show you how to combine this strategy with season timing for even a better, sharper view.